We're in the Jewish quarters of Prague in the Czech Republic. So this used to be an old Jewish settlement. They call this Jewish quarters. See? The other side is the monument of the famous Jewish writer Franz Kafka. So just go in that direction. You have the Star of David there. They have the Jewish Museum. No? Okay. Of course, down there, the Star of David, symbol of Judaism. You have yung mga shop. No? You have souvenirs here being sold. So this used to be, as I mentioned earlier, yung Jewish na settlement, Jewish territory, no? They have different souvenirs, no? There. Dami. Oh, they have nice Jewish braha. There's nice souvenirs. A day. I think they're lining up here. This is the famous na crepes. Oh, kosher. This is ice cream. Jewish ice cream. Crepes. Crepes there. From this side na. Okay. Are they buying here something to eat? So on that side that we entered, no, there's the statue of Franz Kafka. Okay, nice one. Bili nyo? Okay. Ano yan? Kosher. Ano yung ibig sabihin ng kosher nila? Parang okay.